It's that boiled eggplant.
It's good. It's just spicy.
She don't put too much onion powder. She had to put a piece of potato in there to balance it out. This is her boiled eggplant. It's too spicy?
It's spicy, but I like it. It's like a good type of spice. With a kick in the, like, you know, it doesn't taste nothing in the beginning, but like it gets a kick.
Okay,
Oh,
kick.
and follow my YouTube, Jazzy 2679. Yeah, 53 subscribers so far. Let's make it more.
You have more than me. I think I only have like 10. But that's the eggplant soup over here, y'all.
North.